My Crypto Radio News.
Zane Tackett, one of the former executives of the company, made a controversial proposal regarding the FTX stock market, which went bankrupt in November, and revealed that there were scandals that will cause great surprise in the world, and said that the stock markets should be reopened. Making various evaluations on Telegram, Tackett said a value must be created. It should be token for creditors of all seas, big or small. If it is tried and failed, the situations for creditors will not be any worse. Tackett associated with Finance, which was hacked in 2016, went the same way and said the newly established exchange can be given a token for every $1 lost. If creditors could turn their debts into assets and capitalize on the investment that FTX has, it will greatly benefit them. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has announced it has opened a new attorney position for its crypto assets and cyber unit. The announcement notes that the agency focused on violations of federal securities laws and exercised all of the department's investigative and law enforcement powers. In the job posting, it was mentioned that the officers who will assume the task are expected to conduct investigations involving crypto asset securities, develop case plans, prepare legal documents, including subpoena, and testify on the subject. Experts have suggested that the recently established and rapidly growing cryptocurrency reflects the strict stance of the Commission, headed by Jerry Gensler, towards the cryptocurrency industry. According to Paris-based crypto research firm Kaiko, trading volumes on South Korean exchange broke this year's record. Last week, trading volumes on South Korea's four major exchanges, Upbit, Bithumb, Corbit, and Coin1, exceeded $4 billion for the first time since February, reaching the highest level of this year. Altcoins, whose share in the country's stock markets increased to 95%, were effective in this increase. While the said figure was 82% in January, it decreased to 68% in mid-March. It was stated that most of the exchanges outside of South Korea have a share of about 40% of Bitcoin and about 50% of Ethereum. Binance US, the US arm of Binance, announced that it will delist Tron and Spell. In a statement made by Binance US, it was stated that a decision was made as a result of continuous reviews by the stock market. It was noted that these reviews were taken regularly by looking at liquidity, volume, unethical movements, or changing risk profile. Both cryptocurrencies fell by 5% after the announcement. On the other hand, as of tomorrow, Tron's taken transactions on Binance US will also be terminated. Speaking to Reuters on the subject, Tron founder Justin Sun said that Tron's trading volume is currently $400 million, while this figure is $1 million per day for Binance US, and said therefore the impact of this delisting step will not be much said. In Argentina, one of the countries with highest inflation in the world, Bitcoin's futures ETF was accepted. It was stated that a step was taken within the scope of the Strategic Innovation Program of the Stock Exchange CMB, and it was noted that it was also aimed to adapt to new technologies. In this sense, the investment parity of Bitcoin will be with the Argentina peso. The Bitcoin index will be determined by different numbers from many different price providers. Money investment transactions will also be made through banks and will also be in Argentina pesos. Prepared by my Crypto Radio News Center, we have transferred the news. Happy day, everyone.